Hi team, back again. There's something else that I want you to add to your handout, which is the ways of knowing. So the ways of knowing are the ways that we experience things, the ways that we as the knower experience knowledge. And they are intuition, reason, imagination, sense perception, emotion, faith, and then also memory. So I want you to write those down on your TOK core concepts handout. Don't forget to do that. These are the way that we know things coupled with these TOK core concepts. So the way we experience the TOK core concepts is usually through these different ways of knowing. And then it looks differently in each area of knowledge. Okay, what I would like you to do, I forgot to mention this in the last video because I just felt like I was talking too much, but then here I am again, talking more. TOK core concepts handout, areas of knowledge exploration discussion. You're going to have small group discussions in your group, and you're going to talk about how the TOK core concepts show up within the different areas of knowledge. So if you feel really overwhelmed by that long list, 12 core concepts, you and your group can choose like 3 or 4 that you really want to focus on and talk about how it shows up within history, natural sciences, human sciences, art, and math. So for instance, if I were to go about this, I would get overwhelmed by the 12 different concepts. And so I might focus just specifically on how things like evidence, perspective, truth, and power might show up within all of the different areas of knowledge. And then just have a discussion with your group about what it looks like. Like, what does it look like to really have perspective of a historical event? And like, what does evidence actually look like? And like, is there power in being able to understand what that evidence is, or even coming into access with that evidence? So you're hopefully going to have a nice, juicy, rich discussion. Let's access our IB learner profile characteristics of being principled and then also good communicators to have this discussion in your group. And then you're going to write down notes as you work through this. And then I want to come back together as a class on Thursday to review your journal and then also what you have written here. And I say Thursday, not by mistake, because Wednesday is an EE work day. So be sure to bring a device with you. I want to check in with you all individually just to see where you're at with your EE before we move forward with what really process looks like for very specific due dates of what's to come next. All right, email me if you have any questions. I appreciate you. Thanks for listening to me talk so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.